Did you know that bacteria play a crucial role in keeping you healthy? In fact, you have more bacteria in and on your body than human cells. Today, we're going to discuss the importance of bacteria for health. When most people think of bacteria, they often imagine harmful germs that cause illness. However, not all bacteria are bad. In fact, many bacteria are essential for maintaining health. Some of these beneficial bacteria are known as probiotics, and they play a vital role in various aspects of our health. Gut health and digestion. One of the most well-known benefits of bacteria is their role in your gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria aid in digestion by breaking down complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein, making nutrients more accessible to your body. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Boosting the immune system. Bacteria in your gut also play a significant role in supporting your immune system. They help maintain the integrity of the gut lining, prevent harmful pathogens from entering the bloodstream. Additionally, beneficial bacteria stimulate the production of antibodies and immune cells, enhancing your body's ability to fight infections and disease. Mental health and mood. Surprisingly, the bacteria in your gut can also influence your mental health. The gut and brain are connected through the gut-brain axis, a complex communication network that links the central and enteric nervous systems. Beneficial bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, which can help regulate mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Skin health. Your skin is also home to a diverse community of bacteria, known as the skin microbiome. These bacteria protect your skin from harmful pathogens, help maintain a balanced pH, and support the skin's barrier function. A healthy skin microbiome can reduce the risk of infections, acne, and other skin conditions. Weight management. Emerging research suggests that the gut bacteria can influence body weight and metabolism. Certain strains of bacteria may help regulate appetite, increase the production of hormones related to fullness, and promote the breakdown of fats. By maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, you may support healthy weight management and metabolic health. Decreased risk of heart disease. Recent research has concluded that specific strains of bacteria can increase the lining of your gut, which can help limit the amount of bad fats that get into your bloodstream, which are responsible for causing heart disease. How to support beneficial bacteria. Now that we know the benefits of bacteria, it's essential to support and maintain a healthy microbiome. Here are a few tips to help you nurture your beneficial bacteria. Eat a diverse diet. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut in your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients, probiotics, and prebiotics, which are the food sources for beneficial bacteria. Avoid excessive antibiotic use. While antibiotics are sometimes necessary for treating severe bacterial infections, overuse can disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria. Ensure the use of an antibiotic is absolutely necessary prior to taking it. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water supports digestion and proper functioning of your microbiome. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your gut health. Practice stress-reducing activities such as exercise, meditation, or deep breathing to promote a healthy microbiome. Consider probiotic supplements. Probiotic supplements can help introduce beneficial strains of bacteria into your gut. The benefits of bacteria are vast, from supporting digestion and immunity to enhancing mental health and skin health. By nurturing your beneficial bacteria, you can enjoy improved overall well-being. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the benefits of bacteria, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone curious about the positive role of bacteria in our health.